Imagine making money directly from your phone without needing a shop, office, or expensive equipment. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 legit apps that pays real money in Africa and other countries around the world. These apps are beginner friendly, easy to use, and people are already cashing out from them daily. So if you want to start making extra income online in 2026, make sure you watch this video to the end, because the last app is one of the easiest way to make to earn online right now. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about making money online, YouTube growth, AI tools, and smart ways to improve your income. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any update. Now let's get into the video. The number one on my list is TikTok. A lot of people only use TikTok for entertainment, but many creators are now making serious money from it. You can earn through TikTok creator rewards, brand promotions, affiliate marketing, selling products, live gigs. The best part is that you don't even need to show your face. Like, many faceless creators are making money by posting motivational videos, AI content, fast videos, and lifestyle clips without showing their faces. You understand? But the most important thing is you being consistent. All right, consistency is the key. All right, not posting today and you won't post tomorrow. Then number 2 on my list is YouTube. YouTube is still one of the best platforms to make long-term online income. It's the best. Once your channel gets monetized, you can start earning from ads shown on your video. You can also make money from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, channel membership, selling digital products. Then the amazing thing about YouTube is that one video can keep paying you for years. If you are serious about creating content, YouTube is definitely worth starting in 2026. I'm telling you, YouTube is it's worth it. It's worth it. Invest your time on YouTube and you will thank me later. Then number 3 on my list is PalmPay/Opay referral program. These apps pay users for inviting new people to join and complete simple tasks like opening an account or making transactions. Do you understand? So many people in Africa are already using this referral system to make daily income. Okay, you simply share your referral link with friends, family on social media. Once someone signs up successfully, you get rewarded immediately. So it may look small at first, but with consistency and many referrals, it adds up. Okay, it adds up. So if you can go into that, you will start making money daily here on social media. Then number 4 on my list is Swagbox. Swagbox is a popular reward app available in many countries around the world. You can earn points by watching videos, answering surveys, playing games, shopping online, completing simple tasks. All right, then you can convert your points into real cash or gift card. All right, so this app is especially good for people looking for side income during their free time. All right, so you can go into that and start making money here on internet. You understand? So the next on my list is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing app in the world, like one of the biggest. So if you have any skill at all, like skills like graphic design, video editing, voice over writing, AI content creating, creation, thumbnail design, or social media management, all right, you can sell your services on Fiverr and get paid in dollars. So even beginners are making a lot of money on Fiverr by learning simple skills online for free. The more value your skill becomes, the more money you charge. All right, so that is it. This is the 5 apps I have now that can give you a lot of money in the internet. If you can venture into any of these apps I just mentioned now and start making daily income here on the internet. Stop wasting your data on something that things that are not meaningful. You can invest, you can pick one of these apps that I mentioned here and venture into it. You start making a lot of money with others, because I know that so many people are already on them. So you can pick any of them and start making money from it. These are 5 legit apps that can pay you real money in Africa and worldwide. Remember, no app will make you rich overnight. The secret is consistency. Like I said, consistency, be patient, and learning how to use this platform properly. All right, anyone you pick, study the platform, learn how to use it properly. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Rachi Empire, and comment below which app you want to try first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.